The Brave Farmer, Kids' Moral Story. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a farmer named Ravi. Ravi was known far and wide for his hard work and kindness. Every day, he woke up before the sun, tied his scarf around his head, and set off to his fields with his tools. The sun was his friend, and the rain was his helper. He planted seeds, watered the crops, and worked in the soil, trusting that one day his patience would be rewarded. The villagers often saw him working late into the evening, and they admired his dedication. Rafi, they would say, you work so hard every day. We know that the harvest will be good because you never lose hope. Every year, his family would celebrate Pongal, a special festival to thank the sun god for the harvest. But this year, things were different. The monsoon season arrived late, and even then, the rains came in torrents, flooding his fields. Ravi watched helplessly as his crops drowned. The seedlings he had painstakingly nurtured for months now lying ruined in the muddy water. His heart sank as the prospect of a good harvest slipped away. Undeterred, he worked harder, planting a second crop as the season shifted. This time, he hoped for a miracle, a chance to restore what he had lost. But fate was unkind. A heat wave scorched the earth, drying the soil. The sun burned the soil, and the new crops began to wither and die. Ravi tried his best, but his harvest was small. He didn't have enough crops to celebrate Pongal like he usually did. While everyone else in the village was getting ready for the festival, Ravi felt sad and lonely. He didn't have rice to cook or sugarcane to offer, but he remembered something his father had told him long ago. Even when the crops don't grow, the spirit of the land will always be with us. Keep working and keep hoping. On the night before Pongal, Ravi went to his field and knelt on the ground. He said a small prayer, not asking for a big harvest, but for the strength to keep going. The next morning, when the sun came up, Ravi felt a little better. Even though he didn't have a big harvest, he joined the villagers for Pongal. They all gave thanks to the sun god together. Ravi realized something important. Even if the crops didn't grow, he could still keep trying. Every day was a new chance to start over. So even though this year's Pongal was different, Ravi knew he would never give up. The spirit of hope and hard work would always be with him, and that's what he celebrated. The story teaches us that hard work, patience, and hope are the keys to success.